What are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on? Whoa.
I have porridge every morning, and Mum cooked it while I was in the shower this morning, and she just happened to cook a little bit too much, so I guess we have to give the extra to the dogs. They love porridge.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit. It might be a bit hot, Susie. Sit. It's gonna be hot.
Like, look how much that's like still for 2 more people. We could have had breakfast with 4 people this morning.
We could have. We are having breakfast for 4 people. You, me, and the kids.
So Mum and I have driven back to the dress place, and fingers crossed they're actually open this time.
Yep.
But yeah, we're going to try and get a quote, see if I can make it and blah blah blah, but we'll try and get some footage. Are you excited?
Very.
Mum and I are in, is it Oxley?
Yep.
Yeah, we just came from the dress place, and we're at the first house Mum bought with her ex-husband. That's Mummy's old home, and where my sister had her first few years of her life.
What are you doing, Kari?
So a couple of months ago, actually, I don't know, I have bought beds for the dogs. Come here. Come on. And Kobe decided to rip them. I bought replacement mats for them, so I'm going to put them on now. Oh, shush. Are you going to come in your bed? Look.
Look at him, look at him. Like a deal. He's on the bed. He just wants to follow you, Dad.
Lily's helping us make the bed. Aren't you, Lily?
She's not going to move.
Are you helping? Are you helping us? Are you?
I need to flip it, and she's going to flip right out.
Do it.
Jake's going to kill me.
She's still in there. Where the hell is she? Where is she?
I can't believe she hasn't scrambled out. Oh, honest to God, she makes it 10 times more difficult.
You helped us.
I can't believe that she doesn't get scared or anything.
Helped us make the bed.
Sarah, get off my bed, will you? I didn't make it for you.
Oh, Nan, you didn't make it for me.
No, I
My
didn't.
friends are on here with me. Look, Nanny, I blend in. You can't even see me properly. Oh, Lily. Oh, Lily. Oh, Lily.
Okay.
So I made enchiladas for dinner. Chicken enchiladas. They are delicious. Off you go. No. No. No, come on. Show everybody what you were doing. I'm refusing to plug in the vacuum because I want Mum to go home, and this is until I plug it in. She's vacuuming without any power.
It's working, look.
It's not working. You're wasting so much energy.
You're wasting so much of my time. Let go. What's going on? Jake, it wasn't me.
Jake, she just hit the camera.
It wasn't me, Jake. It was Sarah.
Oh, hell no.
Okay, well, it's bedtime. Jake's probably going to finish at midnight. We got some cleaning done, got washing done with the help of my mummy. I was going to cook all the meat for dinners for the rest of next week. I was way too tired, so I'll probably do that tomorrow morning when I get up. But yeah, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Give the video a thumbs up. There's only 497 days, I think. Oh god, I don't even know. And there are 497 days until our wedding day, I think. I don't know. Fingers crossed I've got it right. 497 days until our wedding day. And we'll see you tomorrow when we're one step closer. Good night.